Let's move on to the next component, that is a support. Click on mechanical design, part design, select a plane, click on sketch, and we will just go through the sketch once again. We have a L-shaped sketch here, and which having a dimension of 40 and 40. So let's create this profile and create a pad of it. So we have a 5 mm thickness and a length of 40 mm and height of 40 mm. So let's click on profile, okay, let's give dimension. We want this to be 40 mm and we want this to be 35 mm, as the thickness is 5 mm, so 40 minus 5 makes 35, and this will be again 40 and this has to be 35. Okay, so either we can give this as a 35 or we can make this as 5. Both the things are same. Let's make this as 5. Okay, now we can see there is a corner fillet of 6.25 radius. So let us give fillet. Let's click on the corner fillet command and select these two edges, and we have a preview of fillet here. So click randomly and let's give dimension to it. We want it to be 6.25 mm. Okay, so this is the 6.25 mm radius, and let's give fillet to the inner let's give dimension and we want it to be 6.25 mm. So we have created this profile. Let's come out of the workbench and click on pad. We'll reverse the direction and we want it to be 40 mm. So this is the width, 40 mm, preview and OK. So this is the partial, so this is the part, and we have to create a hole on this face. So that is the hole is of 10 mm diameter and the position is 15 mm from the top and 20 mm from the vertical edges. So let's select this face, click on sketch, click on circle, and let's give dimension. We want it to be 10 mm. Dimension is around 15 mm, and we want this point and this edge distance to be 20 mm. Okay, let's come out of the workbench, click on pocket and select up to next, preview, OK. We can also use a hole command here, all hole feature here, but we have created a profile and then we have created a pocket. Okay, so let's see what we have to do again, and from the top view we can see there are two more holes of diameter 5 mm which are at a distance of 20 mm from each other and at a distance of 10 mm from this vertical edge. So first let's create two holes. For that we will be using a hole feature now. So click on hole and select any point here. So we have a hole here. Now the dimension of hole is 5 mm diameter, and depth as the thickness is 5, we will take 5. Now we can change the position. So from vertical edge it is 10 mm. Let's click this point, select the edge and make it 10 mm. From bottom edge it is 15 mm. So let's click on constraint, select the point, select the edge, make it 15 mm. Let's exit and click OK. So we have a hole here. Similarly, we can create a hole here. So click on hole, select the point. The measurements are fine enough. Select the position, select the point, select this point, make it 10 mm. Select this point and select this edge, make it 15 mm. And we have preview. Okay, so this is how the component looks like, and we have completed the support here. So let's save, Control S, and we can save it as support, SUPPORT. Click OK.